In this video we explain you how make this column only with Microsoft Paint, but you can use another program like CorelDRAW, Inkscape, Photoshop, in my case Microsoft Paint. Also, the container can be used to create cement form. Let's look with attention at this video. Thank you. So I insert the power. Look this LED, and here insert the power to machine. Rotate the power. Okay, and try to mark a test for see if hot wire cut. Open Costycnc.it CM Auto page. Click Connect and insert the USB port, and here let to appear the USB port. Select USB, click Connect, and here need to appear GBRL 11AK for help. Now, when click arrow, the CNC need to move, and this move. Okay. Which this and this and up and down. I have this form. We'll put a form from 10 centimeters, and I put 10 of 10 centimeters, a square, 10 with 10 centimeters. So I'm moving the short X up, which is button. Okay, for insert this form. Okay, I measure 10 centimeters approximately for put a square. And now move hot wire down. Okay. And I'll find this piece. Okay. Now move your hot wire again up. At this edge. Okay. Okay. And here I make a little hole. Okay. And insert this one, and this a chamber. Okay, this one for rotate. Okay, rotate this piece, and I put again here. Okay. So my ways of fun have approximately 10 of 10, and here have 26. So you can use any program of create the image. In my case, I was Paint, but you can use another program like Inkscape, like AutoCAD, or any program for create an image. So I open Microsoft Paint and create I create a surface of working from properties, here centimeters, and height is 9 centimeters, and the height is 26 centimeters. I put 24. Okay. So I make a background black. Okay. And the form of cut I make with white. So I make white. Okay. And then to make some forms for pots. For example, this. For example, this. For example, this. Okay. And for example, this. Okay. This is base. This is base, and another form this. Okay, another form this. Okay. After creating the form, you can save two possibilities. You can save or copy. I make select. Okay. Select all and copy. And now go to my program Costycnc Auto, and here click Create, paste. Okay, and the form is here. From this button can view less. Okay. Okay. So the Cnici needs to put here this mode, and here and after to go. Okay. So we'll put the polystyrene neighborhood of wire. Okay. This one. Okay. The one is maximum. And now from this button right. Okay. And the Cnici begin cut. The hot is too hot. Okay, now it's good. Okay, I don't know, it seems better. My image is little, is small, so you need to make the image too big. Okay. So this is the result. Okay, going up and left. Okay, and return where you began. Okay. Now you have three possibilities. If you want to make this container with this form, cement, you have to go out the form. But if you want make only this form, you can only rotate. So I rotate here and make again the code. Okay, and begin again to put the same form. And finally, you see that results the form like this. Form. Okay. Now inside makes a cut. Okay. This is velocity of this machine. Okay. I don't know if see better, because see. Okay. This mode is better. Okay, you see how good. This is one mode, because can be more modes to cut. This is one mode. Okay, and now out and go up and return here where begin begin. Okay, I put here the okay. And now watch what apple. Okay. With this can put more. Can put this more. Okay. This is result. A better piece. I hope that you like this form. In this mode, you can create this column form for styrofoam or foam.